Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Discord screen share shows a black screen on PC, don't worry, this is a common problem caused by graphics settings, permissions, or outdated apps. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Update Discord and your PC. Make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Also check Windows Update for any pending system updates. Outdated software can cause display issues. Step 2. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. Permissions can block screen share from working properly. Step 3. Check graphics settings. If you have dual graphics cards like Intel plus NVIDIA, make sure Discord is using the correct GPU. Open your graphics control panel, select Discord, and choose the high-performance GPU. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Go to User Settings, Advanced Arrow Hardware Acceleration in Discord, and turn it off. Restart Discord after changing this setting. Step 5. Check Display Capture Settings. For screen sharing, always choose the correct screen or window. Avoid sharing minimized apps or programs with restricted overlays. Step 6. Update your graphics drivers. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel websites and download the latest graphics drivers. Outdated drivers often cause black screens during screen share. Step 7. Clear Discord cache.